So that will create competition amongst equals among the villagers, and that will be that will serve our purpose if we can.
We can acknowledge them on
Yeah.
26 January.
Yeah.
With the citation with some
Yeah.
Basically, can
The water and distribute to the consumers. Groundwater activity is not that much practiced in our.
Yesterday we had a meeting in the Camelot. We said
It is
inside. So daily that process takes place.
yes, sir.
The one of the 75 Amrit Sarovars that will be created as a during the 75th years of the independence that we are celebrating. Actually, basic objective of this Sarovar is that this will be helpful for the people to recharge the underground water and also to irrigate the surrounding areas of the farmings. So in the hills, during the rain you have the plenty of the waters, but during the off season you have less water, availability of the water is less. So this basic objective of this Amrit Sarovar will be that this will facilitate the availability of the water throughout the year. I think capacity is around 2 lakh liter. Yeah, I think this will be more than 2 lakh liter, and this is following one of the natural catchment area of the hilly terrains. So I think this will be having sufficient water, and this will provide the the surrounding farm activities plenty of the water throughout the years. They have done excellent jobs. See the kind of the difficult access is extremely difficult, but still they are managing and they are doing very well.
In between that wall, that will be 100 meter by 90 meters. How much deep you are planning?
2 meters. So it will be like this. Already the depth was there. Maybe the depth may be around 10 to 12 feet. But whenever the water, these all sides are hills only, slope. So when we put this bun, then the water will maybe rise up to that bun. So they want to put the bun up to this height, up to this height.
This will be huge wire, visual wire.
It reminds me of Poasaitarung. Langyi, ajak lah lang basi pemgesawi ngayi ni. Natural ngayi lagi. Saya ada sini lah. Ada hiwakit about 1,000 feet sudah dah lega. Artin tama saya ke ya sandra kesana sangat.
Itu bukri hijui. Lega alung li leceng lega ngelai ki leceng kuat lega kusok. Jadi hili kerja pun hili lungkui je. Ada juga ni kuyung lega lungkui je kon lega yang di ni warsa. Jadi saya sama mana. Itu now the ada government way ni hining sang lagi ni saya government ni lekong jual sampung lagi ni itu hining sang lagi ni jihan lagi ni saya tak kerja ni. Terus kesep kesah. Jadi ni apam nama saya sang kebayang. Itu mibang hi kena kebayang abong jong kerja. Itu ni saya tak kerja ni.
시티가 완이다. 저 시티 슬롭도 가야 돼. 아직 가야 돼.
손들이 꽃이야. 꽃이 손들 꽃이. 시티 꽃.
나때 시티 꼴로는 시티 따서